Welcome to Naresh IT. This is Sudhakar, and today we are going to discuss about one of the concept in Oracle database. That concept name is analytical functions or ranking functions. So basically analytical functions, okay, so where I want to use it, okay. So let you see now. So I am using here analytical functions, and even though this analytical functions, even though we called as a ranking functions also, we can say now ranking functions, okay. So basically in Oracle, not only Oracle, almost every database, all databases are supported these ranking functions or analytical functions are supported, and basically these functions are three types, okay. And we can say the first one we called as row underscore number, okay, and second one we called as rank function, okay, and the third one we called as what now, dense underscore rank function, okay. So these are the three functions we called analytical functions or ranking functions, okay. But these functions basically we are using for what purpose we need to use means simple thing, these are using to assign rank numbers, to assign rank numbers to each row or else to each row or else, okay, or else group of rows wise, okay, I can assign the rank numbers to each row or else group of rows wise, okay. So this is what the intention and purpose of your ranking functions. But ranking functions, whatever the three functions are there, the three functions are we are using same purpose and same reason I said now. But what is the differences here? Okay. So now I just give it the small definition for this. Okay. So out of these three functions, okay, row underscore number function, when you want to go to row number function, row underscore number function, it is going to assigning here, okay, same value purpose, different rank numbers are assigning, okay. So that means what I want to say here, to assign different rank numbers, okay, different rank number or numbers to same value, different rank number to same value. This is what we called a row number function nature, okay. So to assign different rank numbers to same value, this is what we called row underscore number. But when come to the second one, okay, for example, if I want to say rank function, okay, how it will be working. So rank function, what it will do, to assign same rank number, to same value, okay. So to assign same rank number to same value. But unfortunately what has happened, it will be skipping, okay. So what it will do, it is skipping the next sequence rank number. So but it is skipping the next sequence rank number in the order, okay. So this is what it will do, the rank function, once you want to apply on your table rows, okay. Now later in the third one, what we called a dense underscore rank function is there. This dense underscore rank function, what it will go to do now means, okay, so it will be assigning, okay, I can say it will be assign same rank number to same value, okay. But what is happened is not skipping is not, that means it will not skipping, if not skipping the next sequence rank number, the next sequence rank number in the order. So, sequence rank number in the order. This is what we called okay, dense underscore rank function. Okay, these are the definitions of your row number, rank, dense rank. Okay. So, now, but now you can see rankings. Basically rankings for what reasons we need to assign, okay, how we can go to assign. It means that the rankings we are going to assigning, like we know that the based on employee performance in a company, otherwise a student performance in the classroom. Okay, so for example, a teamwork, okay, I can say a team performance in a particular organization. So, the who will give the best performance, the performance wise I can give my rank numbers. Okay, for example, when come to employee. So, there are so many ways are there to assign rank numbers to the employee. For example, employee highest salaries wise. So, who are getting maximum salaries. Okay, so maximum salaries wise I can assign rank number. For example, highest salary employee taking first rank, second highest salary employee taking second rank. In the same to same, the employee experience wise. Suppose one employee was having more experience, he was having 15 years of experience in this company. So, I can give it now. So, the highest or more experienced candidate, I can give first rank employee, or he was a very experienced employee, okay, in my company. So, based on their experience wise also I can give a positions. Okay. In the same to same, come to school or colleges. For example, student is there. How I can say, how I can assign ranks to the students? It means that based on their marks, based on their total marks in the subjects. So, who are getting highest marks in the total, okay, so we are going to assign the first rank student. Second highest marks person we called a second rank student. So, like this what you understand here, the rankings can be assigning based on like performance of a person, I can say simply performance of an organization, the performance of a team, a performance of individual people. So, like this you can go to assigning now. So, in that manner, if I want to assign, then I can use this three ranking functions. Okay. So, this is what I said the definitions. I hope that you can understand simple way I was given the definitions here. Okay, the rank, or what is the rank function, what is a dense underscore rank function, and what is a row underscore number function. Okay, so by seeing this definition, I think you will be clearly getting some idea on this. Okay, so let me see a small examples on one by one. I will give it okay on this. But before you want to see the examples on this ranking functions in Oracle database, okay, first we need to know that what exactly the syntax, how to use it. Okay, that we want to go to take it here. So, now I just go for to give a small syntax for this when you want to apply this on your table rows. Okay, let you check now what is my the syntax here means. I want to give like analytical function name. First I have to give it now. Okay, and after that I am using over, it's my predefined class keyword. Okay, I am using over class. Okay, and later in this, okay, I am using one more class is here, partition. Okay, it's one more class I am using here, partition by. Okay, and this partition I am going to applying on which column in your table, so that you have to send your column name. Okay, so that I can say that. But unfortunately, this partition by clause, okay, partition by clause, it's not a mandatory class. Okay, it's just a optional class also we can say, either you can use or not. It's not a big problem for our query statement. Okay, okay, that's why it is called, the people is called as it is a optional class keyword. And later along with this I am using what next, order by class, one more class I am using, order by class. And this order by class do you want to apply on which okay, on which column name that you have to give it now. And along with, you know that I already ordered by class is going to using on particular sorting purpose you have to use. Whenever you want to sorting your values of a particular column, then you can use your order by. So along with this, I am going to using ascending order by using of keyword ASC, or else I am using desk keyword for my descending order I want to arrange. So this is what simple I can say the syntax of analytical function or else ranking functions how to use in my queries. Okay. So this is what I hope that can you see the simple syntax here. First you have to give your analytical function name, and over partition by X was optional, and it is not necessary to us when you want to write a query. Okay. So that was optional, and later order by. Okay. So that was mandatory class, it's a compulsory class. So without that we can't implement this ranking functions. So that's why you have to give okay, order by column name and ascending or descending, and finally you want to close your the closing brackets of this syntax. Okay. This is what. So based on this syntax, now let you check now a small example we will discuss on this, how these three functions I am going to use in my queries. Okay, let you check now. So first of all, I am going to open my Oracle database, and I am using here SQL Plus editor. I hope that you people will know this. Okay, I am using SQL Plus editor for my Oracle purpose, and I just go to open this one, and later you just connect to this. Okay, so I am here connecting with my username is Scott, and you know that the password is Tiger. So Scott and Tiger I am going to connecting to my database now. Okay, so let's find we are going to connecting to our database. That's okay, find it here, and later I just go to just I set my page size. Okay, so these are we are going to using these properties for just setting your page size, that means properly display your output, otherwise properly display your table information, okay, on the screen. So I am going to setting this lines and page size, and later I just clear the screen. Okay, and after that you just come back, and I am just taking one default table in Oracle, especially in Scott user these tables are available. So now I am calling one table. The table name is called as suppose EMP I am calling now, and this was already existing table in my database now, and it was having this. Okay, it was having like this. Now what I want to do now, I am going to performing on this some operations here, and before that I just delete one unnecessary row was there, where EMP number is equals to some table 1. This is unnecessary data, I am just going to deleting this one, and later I just come back to see. Okay. Okay, then fine, this is my information about table. So now on this table I am going to use my ranking functions, otherwise analytical functions also we can call. But these functions I am going to using based on a simple way. I can go for the salaries wise, I can use it. Suppose I have here 14 employees in this table, and we have 14 employees salaries also having in this table. So first I need to check out here to display the few things on this. So I am using here select, for example. Suppose I need to display only name, for example. I don't want it to go for all columns. So few columns I am taking now to displaying here. So one is we called e name and salary, and after that you want to apply your function name. So I am applying, for example, in this example I am applying here row underscore number function I am going to apply, and after that I am going to sending here over. Okay, and partition by it was optional I said no. So if you want to remove that partition, you can remove that, and I am not using in this example, and I will show you the next example. And later I am using what next, order by. Order by on the column of salary, and first we are going to arranging salary column in descending order. So desk keyword I just use it now. Okay, and after that here I will be take here some alias name I am going to mention. That alias name is called as a rank, is my alias name for this complete function, and whatever the function was taken here. Okay, so this I can say up to this in place of this. Okay, in place of this I am going to use as a I am going to display as a rank. Okay, so instead of displaying that complete statement, I am simply taking a shortcut name that is called alias. Okay, rank. And after that I just use from your EMP table. Okay, I just do it this one, and to execute this one, and you can see the what is the problem here. And simply the 14 employees are displaying along with their salaries and the rank numbers. But a small example in this you can carefully identify. So here the two people was there, the Fraud and Scott. This two people's salary was 3,000, but the rank was given by row underscore number 2 comma 3. But tell me here, the same salary employees, if I want to assign like different rank number to the same salary employees, so the employees are not accepted. Okay, it will be raising some question to the management. Okay, why, how I can give it these rankings to the people? Yes or no? So this is what we can say the mistake of row underscore number. That's why I said to you. So it was assigning different rank numbers to the same value. Okay, so my value is 3,000 here, 3,000, and I'm assigning here two different rank numbers I was assigned here, but this is not correct in your real time. Yes or no? So to overcome this, then what we want to do in the next example, so I'm taking a select ename comma sal, and I'm going to taking the same thing, okay, that what we want to use it. The next I'm going to using here rank function I'm using now. Okay, so when I'm using rank function and over, and as usual I'm passing here order by sal desk, and this is I want to play as a rank, okay, and from EMP table. So in this case, if you want to see this, what is happen in this case, okay, are you taking your Fraud and Scott 3,000 and the same rank number was given here. So same salary, same rank number, this was is good. Okay, we are assigning the same rank to the same people salaries, as different people salaries. Okay, but here unfortunately, can you see this, if you want to go for this after rankings, 2 after it was taking 4, but that means it was skipping, the next sequence rank number in the order. Yes or no? So that is the problem of your rank function, and to overcome this, and I'm going to using next select ename sal. Okay, I'm using over of I'm using your order by, okay, order by, and the salary I'm using desk keyword, and I will show as a rank. Okay, show as a rank of and I forgot it one thing. Okay, I just avoid this. Okay, I just avoid this because I forgot it my function name. Okay, so let you check the function name I'm going to writing now. Select ename comma sal, and my function name, what is my function name here? Dense underscore rank. Okay, and after over, and I'm sending here order by, I'm sending here what now? Order by and sal. Okay, I'm using desk keyword, and that I want to show as a rank. Okay, I'm showing as a rank, and from simply EMP table I'm going to calling. And this time you can see the carefully the dense rank. If I'm going to using the dense rank here, then you can see the Ford and Scott 3000, the same rank number, and if next sequence numbers you can see now there is no changes here. So that means next change, next number is going to getting now after 2, and it was taking 3, but it is not skipping any next sequence number in my row order. Oh sir, no. So this is what we called a row underscore number rank function and dense rank function. Okay, so I hope that you can understand, and simply I was explained here what is rankings and how to assigning rankings. And the same to same, if I need a partition by, suppose if I'm using partition, what is the difference when I'm using partition? Means it's a simple thing. If I'm using partition, what is happen? Suppose I'm taking your department number, so I'm taking salaries comma DEPT number. Okay, I'm taking same dense underscore rank function, dense underscore rank function, and I will take for over, and I'm applying your partition by. So partition, I'm going to doing partition based on department number column wise, and after that, after partition, then later those numbers wise, whatever the salaries are there, the salaries I'm going to ordering here. So order by sal in descending order. Okay, and this was showing as what rank, and simply from I'm telling here from EMP if I send now. Then what is happening? You can see this. What is happening here? It was going to partition now, and that 10th partition it was there. The 3 people and their salaries are arranging into descending order, and is the 10th department, and their 1, 2, 3 sal ranking numbers. In the same to same, when you come to 20th people, so the few people are working in 20th department, and these their salaries into descending order. there are 20 department people and their salary ranking numbers. In the same to same, when I go for this and third one, so the remaining people, whatever it was there, their salaries in descending order, the partition, the 30th partition and their ranking numbers. So this is what advantage of partition key. When you want to use partition, the partitions wise you are arranging salaries either ascending or descending, and later you can assigning your rank numbers. Okay. So this is what analytical function or ranking functions in Oracle database, how to use it. Okay. So thank you for watching this video.